Hi guys, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change time in Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Okay, tap this. And system, okay, you can see the date and time. Okay, tap the date and time. And date and time, okay, you can see the automatic date and time is on. You can turn off this by switching off the switch button on the right side. You can change the time zone, date, or time. Okay, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the time. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the set time. And the pop-up will show now you can change the time by sliding down or up, and also the minutes and the PM or AM. And that's it. After you set the time, okay, tap the done button to set the time. And that's it. We have successfully changed time on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.